Hello everyone, it's Mika here and welcome to this Makossa tutorial. Well, I don't really do this kind of videos because I don't learn Makossa, ariaria and sebene. So I don't learn those kind of styles, but I've started to like them and I've started to learn them. So I thought maybe I should start sharing some of the things I've learned with you guys, okay? Now, these things are actually easy and are things you can use in a church setting. Okay, so when you're doing African praise, these are things you can easily play, okay? But these things are not hard. They are using simple major chords, okay? But what can make them hard is the fact that your left hand is playing a different thing or a different rhythm from your right hand. This is what can make it hard. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a very simple Makossa movement that you can play that you will like. It's not going to be hard and it's something that you can easily learn, okay? So let's get started. We're going to be in the key of G major, so you should know your G major scale. Okay, do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la sol fa mi re do. By the way, in this tutorial, I'm going to be using the sol fa notation, do re mi fa sol. Okay, and I'm using this because most Africans learn how to play the piano by learning the major scale as do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la sol fa mi re do. Okay, so let me show you the Makossa movement. Makossa movement sounds something like this. One more time. Yeah. I almost made a mistake there. Okay. So let me break down what I'm showing. The first thing I'm going to play is this. Now, what you play on your left hand is D major chord. That is sol, ti, re. Remember, we're in the key of G, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So your left hand is playing sol, ti, re. Then your right hand is going to play a D major at 9. This is going to be sol, la. You're going to play sol, la with your thumb. This fat guy, sol, la. Then you're going to play ti, then re, then sol. Do you understand? Your right hand, with your thumb, you play sol, la. You press them together. Then you play ti, then re, then sol. Then together you play this. That's the first part. One more time. One, two. One more time. One, two. One more time. And after you play that, you're going to play. Let me play that one more. Let me play that again. Again. So your left hand and your right hand, you're going to play do, re, mi. Okay. Your left hand is playing do, re, mi. Your right hand is going to play do, re, mi. They're going to play at the same time. So I'm going to play do, re, mi. Now this one, what you're doing here is playing an A minor 7 chord, or a simple an A minor 7 chord. So what you're playing is, so what you do is your right hand is going to play la, do, fa, and your right hand is going to play fa, re. Your left hand is going to play fa, re, while your right hand is going to play la, do, fa. So you're going to have do, re, mi, la, do, fa. Do you get da 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 do da? So from the beginning we have da 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 do da. Do you see that? Da do da. So we play la. When you play la here, your left hand is going to play fa. Then when you play do here, your right hand is going to play re. Then you play fa. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 1, 2. So from the beginning we have woo. So let me show you what I'm playing here. Okay, let me show you what I'm playing here. So this one, when you play, right, your left hand is going to play sol ti fa do sol do fa do sol ti fa do sol do fa do, over and over again. Okay, sol do fa do sol ti fa do. But remember, when you play, I'm going to start with sol ti here. Sol ti fa do sol do fa do sol ti. And while you're doing this, your right hand is going to play something different. Okay, so you're going to sound something like this. So let me tell you what your right hand is playing. Your right hand is going to play so ti re la do fa, so do mi fa la fa, so ti re la do fa. So ti re la do fa, so do mi la do fa. I'm making a mistake. So you're going to play so ti re fa la fa, so do mi la do fa, so ti re fa la fa, so do mi la do fa, so ti re fa la fa. That's your right hand. So do mi la do fa, so ti re fa la fa. Okay. So yeah, that what your right hand is doing, and your left hand is doing so ti fa do, right? So you do all of that from the beginning. We have woo. Now this is where you end the song. When you want to end the song, you're going to play the do chord. But for your do chord, I'm going to play mi, do, and re on your left hand, and your right hand is going to play so, do, mi. So you're going to end like this. Now this chord is called a G major add 9 chord. Okay, so this is a do major add 9. You can call it that, do major add 9. Okay, so this is a very simple thing. Now this is the issue. Where you're going to have problem is the combination. This part. So this part you're playing that's going to be the problematic part. So what I'll advise you to do is when you reach that part, you need to slow down the song. So instead of playing so ti fa do so do, slow it down. You play so ti fa do so do fa do. It is only when you slow it down you'll be able to play it. Then after you slow it down, then you can pick it up and then play the whole thing from the beginning. From the beginning. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, don't forget to share, and don't worry, I'm gonna come out with more Makossa, and African rhythm and praise stuff, all those kind of things. Thanks for watching and bye for now.